Where's Leo? Where's Leo? Where's Leo? Where's Leo? You're making it easy. How big is Leo? How big is Leo? Real big. Yeah. What you having? How big is Leo? Good. Leo, where's your eye? Your what? Your eye? Mm-hmm. Where's your nose? Eye? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Excellent. Where's Leo? Say peekaboo. Where's Leo? There he is! Where's Leo? Oh, my little eating boy. Is that good? You need it cut into pieces? Whoa, turkey head. That's crazy. That bite might be a little too big. I'll cut it up for you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say hi. Okay.